Hi, my name is Greg Pally. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how spray foam roofing seamless membrane helped the military. So back in 2008, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers hired West Roofing Systems to come on out to the Jabala Military Base in Iraq, take a look at their metal roofs. They were having extreme heat, obviously in Iraq, extreme heat. Heat was coming through. Their HVAC was to the max. It wasn't providing any more of a comfortable environment. Um, just the roof there, metal panels, asbestos. The roof was installed from the inside out, so there was fasteners pointed up, exposing to the elements. There was bats in between the drop ceiling and the roof. So they needed a seamless membrane, something that's going to keep the cool in, keep it in, keep the animals and pests out. And so they looked to the spray polyurethane foam roofing system. Hired West Roofing in 2008. We would have been applying foam for about 30 years at that point. But I think really it's not only the expertise in applying, but really the spray foam roofing system in general. It's fluid applied. It'll cover every little crevice, every little nook and cranny, every little pinhole. It won't let anything come through, so no dust. Obviously, dust in Iraq was probably a huge problem. And most importantly, to keep all that heat and cool in there. Obviously, spray foam is going to provide that great R value, keep that cool in there, provide a better environment for our troops overseas. And yeah, and actually, if you take a look, there's a poster right here of our guys spraying foam on that building right there. That happened in 2008, so it's a real life story. So it's the benefits of a spray foam roof. It's good enough for the military. It's probably good enough for your building. It's a great product. I know it's hard to understand sometimes because it's fluid applied and there's chemistry and science involved. But if you want to learn more, please go to our website. And if you want to learn more about this story and more of the scope of work, please click on the link below. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.